Climate change refers to long-term shifts in temperatures and weather patterns, primarily driven by human activities like the burning of fossil fuels, deforestation, harmful agricultural practices, and industrial processes. According to the World Health Organization, climate change is directly contributing to humanitarian emergencies from heat waves, wildfires, floods, tropical storms, and hurricanes as they are increasing in scale, frequency, and intensity. In Nigeria, different parts of the country have been witnessing extreme weather patterns, especially an increase in temperature, which has led to intense heat, causing a lot of discomforts to the people. While explaining the reasons for the extreme change in the weather conditions, an associate professor of agricultural engineering, Dr. Lamidi Agumbiade, stated that the increase in human activities, which has led to expansion of cities, depletion of the ozone layer, global unrest through the release of missiles are polluting the atmosphere, adding that the increase in solar panels are also contributing to the adverse effects the environment is witnessing. According to him, human activities such as the burning of fossil fuels to generate electricity, power transportation, and machinery for industries release massive amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, which the earth cannot fully absorb as a result of deforestation.
We have a lot of heat during this period, and well, many people are not feeling comfortable because of the climate change. And it's not just now that it has started, but it has started a long time ago, going to 2 decades now, and it's going on at alarming rate. The expansion of cities is one of the problems because we are cutting trees and we are not planting more. What the scientists refer to as a CAG, the ozone layer is being depleted and the carbon emission becoming more. That's the problem, why we have a lot of it.
Speaking in the same vein, another expert, Dr. Toyoshe Oyewusi, stated that there are some harmful agricultural practices such as land clearing that change the reflectivity of the Earth's surface and produce methane through livestock farming, which also affect the environment.
Inform the increase in human activities also. And when all this comes together, it will affect. Though the environment has a way of cleaning itself, but when the load is heavy, I'm talking about much activities being carried out, so the rate at which the natural cleaning will come up will be slow, and it will actually lead to much of this climate change.
They emphasize the need to cultivate healthy habits that will lead to the reduction in emissions of greenhouse gases through better transportation, food and energy use choices, and environmentally friendly agricultural practices, which would help protect the atmosphere and promote good health.
All these things, they can still be contained if we populate the vegetation in our surroundings. So anywhere have vacant land, either in the city or in the suburb, or rural area, urban area, anywhere we have it, we need to populate our vegetative so that they'll be able to continue to absorb the carbon emission.
What are the ways that we can convert our waste into useful products so that when they are long-standing, the emission from that waste will not contribute to the environment? And there we are talking about maybe conversion of cow dung or animal waste into compost, which is organic fertilizer. In as much as we are generating waste that has adverse effects on the environment, we can also intervene and convert this waste into wet, whereby we will try to stop the activities of the waste from generating adverse effects to the environment, then convert it into what we can see money from.
Dr. Lamidi and Dr. Oyewusi stressed that concerted efforts are required from the government and all stakeholders to promulgate legislation that will help promote action that will reduce carbon emissions and improve health, support equitable transition to clean energy economy, and ensure that health is central to climate change mitigation policy. Oluchi Amuda, OSBC News.